Hello everyone. Today we will see work study. Study is a generic term for those techniques or methods or study and work measurement which are used in the examination of human work in all its contexts and which leads systematically to the investigation of all the factors which affect the efficiency and economy of the situation being reviewed in order to affect the what is the framework of work study. The framework of study, it has basically been divided into method study and the work measurement. Method study leads to motion study, whereas work study involves the time study, which together are utilized to give us higher productivity. Study is a means of enhancing the production efficiency of the firm by eliminating the waste and unnecessary operations. It is a technique to identify non-value adding operations by investigating of all the factors affecting the job. It is the only accurate and systematic procedure oriented technique to establish time standards. It is going to contribute to the profit as the savings will start immediately and continue throughout the life of the product. Method study and work measurement is the part of work study. Part of method study is motion study, and work measurement is also called by the name of advantages of work study. Advantages of work study. The first is it helps to achieve the smooth production flow with minimum interruptions. It helps to reduce the cost of the product by eliminating waste and unnecessary operations. Better worker management relationships are established, meets the delivery commitment. It helps in the reduction in rejections and scrap, the higher utilization of resources of the organization. It helps to achieve better working conditions. It helps to build a better workplace layout. It helps to improve upon the existing processes or methods and helps in standardization and simplification. It helps to establish the standard time for an operation or job which has got application in manpower planning, production, basic concept and the definition. The method study is basically conducted to simplify the work or the working methods and it must go towards the higher productivity. It is always desirable to perform the requisite functions and desired goal, minimum consumption of resources. The method signifies how work is to be done, which means that the description of how we consume resources in order to achieve a integral part of work accomplishment and significance. How well our methods utilize the limited available resources such as manpower, machines, materials, and money. It also signifies how our methods physically affect the production output of the unit. It also signifies the quality of output obtained by the application of our methods. Therefore, the methods can determine the amount of input materials, time, power, and the money consumed. So, methods may be considered the core where one can attempt to reduce the consumption of resources, thereby reducing the cost per unit. Output through utilization of proper methods. The method design can decide the cost and quality of the output which is being produced. Method study can be defined as a procedure for examining the various activities associated with the problem, which ensures a systematic, objective, and critical evaluation of the existing factors, and in addition, an imaginative approach while developing the basic aspects of its application. The first is the method study proper is concerned with broad investigation and improvement of a shop or a section, the layout of equipment and machines, and the movement of men and material. Secondly, the motion study is a more detailed investigation of the individual worker, operator, layout of his machines, tools, jigs, and fixtures, and movement of his limbs when he performs his job. The ergonomics aspect, that is, the study of environment, body postures, noise level, and surroundings, temperature, also form part of investigation. The micromotion study, that is, much more detailed investigation of very rapid movements of the various limbs of the